Alright, how's it going, guys? Today we're going to be doing a video on why you should not buy these eBay inlets. As you can see, I'm taking apart my car right now. We're doing turbos on them again because I think these inlets actually blew up my turbos. Well, I'll tell you guys why right now. Quick overview. I'm just taking this apart. I'm going to have a separate video on how I'm going to rebuild these and me actually doing a review on these Viv turbos. But anyways, today I'm going to talk to you guys about these eBay inlets. The ones that have Viv, right here, Viv. They're basically like every other inlet on eBay that you see. They look normal, you know. They're just inlets. I also used to have a even more cheaper pair than these until I got these. These are from RB turbo inlets. These things are expensive.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
But they are well worth the money, and I'm explaining to you guys why. I'm not sponsored by these guys. I bought these myself. These Viv ones right here, as you can see, they're very flimsy, super flimsy. And when you start running higher boost, sometimes you run the issue of these collapsing like this. You might not even reach peak boost. You might have some sort of misfire issue, who knows. But basically, when the turbo starts sucking and these things can't keep up because they just collapse like this because they're so squishy, your turbo has no more air and it just basically like suffocates basically. On top of that, they're just cheap, you know. They're super cheap. If you're gonna be stock, not run more than, I don't know, 17 pounds of boost, these will work for you perfectly fine, because it does give you performance somewhat, but you have to get a custom tune either way. So if I were you, I would save your money, get yourself some really good inlets like these. And the reason these are good is because they're reinforced with some wire inside. You guys can't see it, but you guys might be able to see the small ribs of the wire basically supporting this inlet. And this inlet is super hard. Like, I can't squish this thing. This thing is, I have to really force it in order to squish it. Unlike these, I barely put any force into them and it just collapsed. But anyways, like I said, these are really cheap inlets. They're like $100, maybe less. I do not recommend these. Like I said, definitely go with some better inlets, or else you're gonna run into the issue where your turbos go out because these things collapse. Do some research on it. You'll see even the Burger Motorsport, the VRSF ones, I forget which other ones. I don't mean to make those companies look bad, even though they're pretty good, but if you read the information, the forums, stuff like that, you'll see that they all don't have this supporting wire in here that really helps out. And yeah, so if you guys can find some ones on eBay that do have the wire inside and that are not RB, buy those, because you guys need to have the wire in here to support it so it don't collapse. Now, I don't know about the arm ones, the ones that are relocated, or any relocated ones, because I haven't personally used those. If someone wants to send me those out, that'd be cool. But I don't know about the relocated arm or any other company ones, how those do, or if those collapse because there's shorter distance, who knows. Quick little review on these to be quick. Like I said, they're supported, have a little coil in here. You can feel the coil in here, like wire, supporting wire. Very high quality. This flange right here, and same thing with this. I'm not too sure what this is for. I guess this would be for the DVs. They come with some weird clamp right here. Pretty cool of them to put that there. Same thing with the other side. Same thing. They come with cool clamps. Put them there. But yeah, I would recommend buying those for sure. These things don't even flex. Look at that. They don't even flex. Very hard to make them flex compared to these, where these just completely bend apart. Look at that. Those just bend. These do not bend. They're very hard to bend. I can make them bend if I really put on force into it, like that. I don't want to ruin them. But these, I barely put any force into them and they're already bending. Look at that, one finger. But yeah, that's it. That's a review on these eBay inlets. Do not buy them and get these.